Jackson is going to be making chewy double chocolate chip keto cookies. We hope you enjoy this video. Jackson, have fun making it. And off to you, Jack.
Thanks, Cam. And off camera, we prepared our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. Well, first you have to preheat the oven to 350. And in a large bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of monkfruit sweetener, powdered, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of water, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extracts, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until dough forms. Now we are going to add this into our big bowl. It's big because we tripled the recipe. Gotta put this in. That just flopped in. What to put? Now that we are done mixing our deliciousness, we put it in a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, and they're sugar-free. And we have to mix it with a spatula. Get back. Let's go. Okay. So we prepared 2 spoons, one for scooping, and this one is for pushing off the dough so it can go on to that, so we can have cookies. Yummy. Perfect. Okay, there. We're here. Now we have to put our cookies into the oven at 350 degrees and have to put them in for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to take it out for our taste test. Now we have to let it cool completely. Now we're gonna eat it. Chocolatey, chewy, yummy. Okay, now have a beautiful day.